Following the assessment of the frame, we will assess the upholstery, both the back and the seat. What we are looking for are tears, rips, and holes to determine whether or not we're going to have to replace any of the actual wheelchair upholstery. Upholstery, we are looking for tears, rips, or holes. When I'm assessing the back of the chair, once again, I'm looking for any tears or rips, but I'm also looking for all the screws. Are all the screws present? Are they in good shape? And no, this back, from the back side as well as from the front, coming into the seat upholstery, all of the screws are present. The back is in good shape. Typically, when someone is sitting in the wheelchair here, most of the weight's here going kind of in the middle and towards the front where your legs sit. So I'm more concerned about having cracks or tears in the seat area in the middle and towards the front. As you can see on this particular one, we do have a hole. And because there's a hole underneath where the person is resting their leg and where they're shifting back and forth, this can be potentially a danger for them to develop a pressure sore. So this is a part I'm going to want to replace.
This design has a vinyl seat that is attached to the frame with 8 screws, 4 on each side. I use my electric screwdriver with a Phillips head bit to quickly remove the seat. Since the armrests on this chair are easy to remove, I'll pull those off so that it is easier to get to the screws.
Come over to the side.
With the seat upholstery gone, I can check out the frame where the upholstery screws in. In this case, I have threaded inserts in each of the holes so that I can just look at each one and make sure that they haven't been stripped or deformed by the weight of the chair user. I have my replacement vinyl seat here. I'll reuse the screws from the one I took off. Once again, I will use my electric screwdriver to replace the screws. The seat is a bit wider than the original one, but it will be a lot safer and help prevent those pressure sores.
I'm not going to take them all the way until I have all of them in. Just have to fold the chair a bit. Back this one up a bit. Just get there. Okay. And while this one has a little more space here in the seat, at least this one's going to be nice and safe for the person to sit on.